Brighten up your day, understanding a cheerful English phrase. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a very interesting and uplifting English phrase, brighten up. This phrase is commonly used in everyday conversation, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English language skills. So, let's get started and explore what brighten up truly means. Brighten up is a phrase that carries the essence of becoming happier or more cheerful. It's often used in situations where someone is trying to encourage another person who might be feeling down or sad. The word brighten here is metaphorical, suggesting that just like light brightens a dark room, a change in mood can lighten up someone's emotions or day. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some practical examples. In encouragement, hey, don't be so hard on yourself. Brighten up. Tomorrow is a new day. As a comfort, I know you're going through a tough time, but things will get better. Brighten up, my friend. In cheerful conversations, the sun is out, and the birds are singing. It's time to brighten up and enjoy the day. The phrase can also be tweaked a bit for different contexts. For example, brighten up your day. This can be used to suggest ways to make someone's day more pleasant. Brighten up the room. Here, it could mean someone's presence or actions make the atmosphere more lively and enjoyable. In English-speaking cultures, using phrases like brighten up is quite common to express empathy, concern, or to uplift someone's spirits. It reflects a positive and supportive attitude and is part of the broader cultural emphasis on optimism and encouragement. And that's a wrap on the phrase, brighten up. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this cheerful English expression. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying emotions and connections. So, brighten up your English learning journey with these little nuggets of language wisdom. Until next time, keep learning and stay positive.